In this Teamwork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your Shift Bid messages and history. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on Bids. Select the Shift Bid whose messages and history you want to view. I'll go ahead and choose the middle one, Summer Quarter 2017. You should arrive at your Shift Bid Home or Status page. To view your messages, go to your new top menu bar and click on Messages. Now you can see any messages you have for this Shift Bid. I can see that I have a total of 1 message. The subject line for this message is Bidding for Summer Semester. Then I can see the message itself. Please get your bids in for summer semester. And finally, when and who it was posted by. So this one was posted by Bart Aspen on May 2nd. That's how you can view your Shift Bid messages. To view your history, return to your top menu bar and click on History. Now I can see the history of my Shift Bid. I can see the timestamp when I made any selections. I can see what action was taken. In this case, this is when I selected the shifts I wanted to work. Next, I can see the source, the summary, who made the selections, and who the selections were for. The reason you have both by and for is in case you have proxy bidding where someone needs to bid for someone else. That's how you can view your Shift Bid messages and history. Check out the next video to learn more about your Teamwork 5 account.